quiet harbour, a single ship, burning. Halifax, Nova Scotia, December 6th, 1917. A wartime port, packed with ships bound for Europe. One ship carried enough explosives to level a district. Coming the other way, the Emo, outbound for New York. Wartime rules had crowded the harbour's narrow channel. At 8:45 a.m., the two ships collided. Sparks ignited fuel on Mont Blanc's deck. The Narrows was barely wide enough for two ships to pass. Below, the Richmond district. Homes, rail yards, a busy pier. An ordinary Thursday morning, like any other. A quarter-mile away, dispatcher Vince Coleman worked the rail yard's telegraph. His job, keep trains moving safely through the yard. Nets and patrols controlled which ships could pass and when. Delays built up. Impatient ships crowded the channel. Mont Blanc's crew knew exactly what their cargo could do. Emo was already behind schedule, pushing to leave quickly. Neither ship was fully at fault, nor fully blameless. Signals between the ships were read differently by each crew. Both altered course, but toward, not away from, each other. At low speed, Emo's bow cut into Mont Blanc's hull. Spilled benzol caught fire almost immediately. Mont Blanc's crew, knowing the cargo, abandoned ship at once. They rowed for the far shore, without raising a citywide alarm. The burning ship drifted, unmanned, toward a crowded pier. Crowds gathered to watch, mistaking the fire for a spectacle. One sailor ran ashore, warning whoever he could reach. At the rail yard, Coleman learned the ship was about to explode. He started to run, then remembered an incoming passenger train. He returned to his key and sent an urgent warning down the line. His message reached the train in time to hold it back. At 9:04 that morning, Mont Blanc detonated. The blast was among the largest ever caused by human hands. Windows shattered dozens of miles away. An entire district was flattened in an instant. A wave surged from the harbour onto the shattered waterfront. Fires broke out across the ruins, fed by overturned stoves and lamps. Coleman's station, nearest the blast, was destroyed. Hospitals filled far beyond capacity within the hour. Help arrived quickly from across Nova Scotia, Canada, and the United States. By the next morning, a blizzard buried the wreckage in snow. An inquiry opened within days to assign blame. It found Mont Blanc's captain, pilot, and a naval officer responsible. But higher courts overturned that finding. In 1919, Canada's highest court of appeal ruled both ships equally at fault. No one was ever convicted. The city rebuilt to safer standards. The disaster reshaped trauma care and treatment for the blinded. Today, a bell tower overlooks the harbour where it happened. The same waters still separate the districts it destroyed. For one December morning, an ordinary harbour became history's warning. This was real.